Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rebecca. Today I'll be showing you how to make this afro crochet. For this tutorial I'll be using two multi-expression fox locks. I will also be using this netty wig cap. You can use any wig cap of your choice. I'll also be using the crochet pin. Firstly, you will need to wear the cap on the dummy. Make sure it secures well on the dummy. So here I'm just checking the length of the hair. So off camera I'd cut the strands into two. Then I removed 3 strands from one ear. It's so easy to remove. You don't have to worry if it's gonna tangle. Until the night is over, I wanna hold you so tight, so tight. Now let me show you how to crochet. Firstly, you put your crochet pin into where you want to add your hair. Then use your left index finger and middle finger to hold the middle of the hair. Then you pass it through your crochet pin. You release it and bring your hair inward with your crochet pin. You tie a knot and secure it in place. Then you repeat the same step. Make sure you are going line by line till you reach the top. I hope that makes sense to you. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride. So now I'm moving towards the side of the head. And now to the top of the head.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. My set, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies shine. If you're not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. Not here with no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer.
Just to show you one more time, you input your crochet pin into where you want to add hair. You use your left index and middle finger to hold it in place and use the crochet hook to draw the hair into the wig cap and tie a knot.
I see you watching my stories. I see you getting my lifestyle. I see you watching my movements. This bad beats bad every day. I know the look of your face. Bad man bad every day. Get on your knees and pray. Do you regain your faith? I see that. Every somebody come. Don't take my energy from your cardula. In my past, don't say I'll be my healer. Everything I desire. I'm gonna receive my ribbon.
So I have done a lot off the camera. I'm halfway done.
You see my bitch, say she had bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you.
So all I'm doing now is filling the spaces I left behind.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby,
Right now, I'm closing the gap. I'm making sure to add the hair at the band area towards the front. I'm making sure the lines are symmetrical to each other. Just see what I'm doing.
wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I get you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Wow, we are almost done, guys. Can't wait to start rocking the hair. I've trimmed the hair off camera. I've also did my makeup off the camera. If you want to see a full makeup tutorial, please leave comments down below. Please subscribe to my channel. It's really not easy putting out content. God bless you as you do that. Thank you. I love this hair so much and I'm rocking it because why not? Brr. Bye guys.